Kai, wetin dey happen?
This R8 is about to leave this driveway a completely different car, not mechanically but visually. This belongs to Ahmed XM, one of the biggest names in Forex trading in Nigeria, and today they're taking his white R8 and turning it into a silver surfer using nothing PPF, no paint, no wrap vinyl. This entire transformation is happening with a material that is supposed to protect the car, not change what it looks like. And once this satin silver goes on, there is no version of this where a mistake is fixable. 7 minutes, one of the rarest specs in the country. Let's get into it.
So the first thing we are going to be doing is taking out as much panels as we actually can, because we don't want to do a lot of dismantling, so that because cars like this they are a lot harder to put back together than they are to take out. So we want to make everything as easy to put back in as possible. Then the next, and if you check around the car, you see that we've taken out we've taken off the bumper and just decoupled the rear bumper, even the front one. And the next thing is to give it a thorough washing. We took out this panel because the previous paint was coming right off. I think the previous owner in Dubai replaced that part, and because he replaced it, the primer that they put on it was not a plastic primer, so the paint has started coming off, and this is this where it has started coming off. So we took out that part so that we can get it sanded, put proper primer on it, and then paint matched to this white. Then now the next step is getting it washed thoroughly. We've been washing this car for like almost an hour plus now. So all the seams, you check, if you look in between now, it's as clean, it's squeaky clean. All that is because we want to make it stick. If there is dirt there, it will not be, the wrap will come off the seams and it will not be able to stick as it's supposed to. So KD has been washing this car for like 3 hours now, 2 hours.
Currently day 3 on this, and we're almost done. Today we just started the bumpers front and back, and you do the dressing later today. this particular evening, Captain Awwal decided to rearrange the cars parked at the garage, and the 240SX had not been driven for a while, so he brought her out to do a few burnouts. And unfortunately, I didn't connect the microphone for the camera, so this was without sound. And just in case you didn't know, we did an engine transplant for this 240SX. It's actually powered by a BMW engine now. So the wrap is almost done. We're like 99%. And she's looking brutal. Silver sofa spec. They chose to take off the red accents. I'm not a huge fan of that. I wish the red accents stayed. But yeah, the handles are going to be painted black to match with the trims. Yeah. She looks beautiful. She looks beautiful. I just wish we could get better wheels. And we went full silver sofa. Full silver sofa, I would have done the what are they calling it? Everything silver. Everything, no black. I won't do anything black. I won't leave any black. That's how bad I want silver sofa spec. Everything black. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm still surprised nobody in Nigeria had gotten the inspiration to do this on their supercar. Okay, so we are still at 98% completion rate, 98.99. KD got the inspiration to change the tint from his previous color to this red one, this chameleon tint, and it looks beautiful. Look at it shifting. Look at it shifting. And I've been having a tough week, but hopefully it will all be better. I had to fight myself to come here today. I was not here yesterday. I have to make sure I came here today, so I showed you guys what it looked like. I don't want you guys to miss a day on this build.
Wetin dey happen?
You see me, I be poor man. I cannot give. I cannot. My opinion does not carry any weight. But as a poor man that I am, I won't put the logo. My opinion does not matter. But if not my own, I don't go put the logo. But if I clean.
soon.